Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name's Chelsea and today we're going to be doing a butterfly nail tutorial. And this is using Polygel, which is amazing because I've never actually done designs with Polygel, but this actually went really good and I just used gel nail polish. Anyways, first I'm going to take these draw forms and match up the sizes to my nail. And when doing this, I'm actually going to be pushing the cuticle back a little so that it can match your actual nail when you put it on. And when doing this, I realized that the draw form should actually be a little bigger than your actual nail because it just works out so much better. I'm going to be taking this pH bonder from Ombre nail gel set, I think that's what it's called, but I'll be doing a video on that method soon. Anyways, now I'm going to be taking base coat and I'm going to be applying an even layer to all of my nails, and then I'm going to cure it in a nail lamp for about 30 seconds so that it can become tacky. So here I'm using this nude pink polygel colour as it suits my skin tone perfectly, and then I'm going to be taking my nail brush and I'm going to dip it into slip solution, and then as I'm trying to create like an ombre, baby boomer, French manicure type of design, I'm going to be blending the polygel to a top, but when I blend it to a top I'm going to kind of make sure it fades down so that when I add the white it becomes ombre. And when I turned the jewel form around, I realized that the ombre did not go so well, but that's okay, the design will definitely cover it up. And this just goes to show that I am not a professional nail tech, but I tried. So pressing the jewel form down, a few parts of the polygel came out from the sides. So I'm just going to be using the nail brush once again. I'm going to be smoothing the top side and then the underside of the jewel form. And this is actually how it looked, and it honestly did not go right, but as I said, it's okay. We're going to sort it out with the designs. Here I'm going to be trying it again for my second finger, and it actually went wrong, sadly, but it's okay. All of them actually went wrong, but it's okay. You know, we got this. I forgot to mention, after every nail that I do, I'm going to cure it so that it doesn't move around, because I feel like when you cure all of your nails together underneath the lamp, then the polygel starts moving. If you're from the UK and you're watching this, don't you think that this looks like squashies? It just kept reminding me of it. But I'd love to do a video with like my sister doing British versus American sweets. That'd be really cool. So comment down below if you guys would like to see that. Anyways, back to the nails. The jewel forms are all off and I'm going to be filing it into a coffin shape. Yeah, I'm going to say taped coffin, but I don't know what that is. But I always hear my sister say it. Correct me down below. Now my nails are all filed into the desired shape, it's time for the fun part, and I'm going to be taking these nail polishes. These are quite small, but they're actually really cute and they work amazing. But I'm going to be taking all of these colours to create my butterflies, and by putting it on this white paper, it allows me to mix like a palette. And I actually didn't have a picture of butterflies, so I'm going to be taking this picture as a reference. Using the sky blue color, I'm going to be drawing the butterfly wings, and I'm just going to draw like the base first, and I'm going to go in with black later to do all the details. And the best way to describe the way I'm drawing it is I'm doing like a really bold X to create the butterfly wings. Also, before I put a new colour on top of the design, I actually cure it in the nail lamp so that the nail polishes don't mix up and then ruin the design. Taking the really nice orange color, I'm going to be using this to create the wings for this next butterfly. Then I'm going to be taking this pinky red, and I'm just doing this to create a two-toned butterfly. Now I'm going to cure that in the nail lamp for about 20 seconds. Mixing the red and the white nail polish, I'm going to be creating this Barbie, actually no, I'm going to be creating this Bratz pink, and then I added this onion orange to it and it looked really nice. Now I'm going to cure the first layer for a few seconds. To give the butterflies more detail and texture, I am using the darker pink. I'm going to outline the butterfly, and then this creates a really nice textured wing for the butterfly, as you guys will see in about 5 seconds what I'm talking about. And during the nail designs, I realized that I made the mistake of not brushing off the excess dust from the filing. Now the main butterfly design is finished, I'm going to cure it. Then using this white nail polish, I found a way to fix the French tip, and this is by painting on this new design using 2 lines. Then I'm going to be blending that upwards into the polygel. Now that's completed, I'm going to be curing it in the nail lamp for a few seconds. Then I'm going to be taking this top coat and I'm going to apply that to all of my nails. And this is how it looks once I put the top coat on, but I decided that I wanted to put on a few diamonds, so I only added it to this nail and the thumb. Now that's done, I'm going to be taking my top coat again and I'm going to use a thin layer. And this is the finished nail look. I think that went pretty well for a design that was going wrong. And comment down below if you guys would like to see more nail videos. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.